Hello, viewers. Yes, I am Krishna. This lesson is explained by Krishna Gurugubelli, SCA Physical Science, JP High School, Murupaka, Srikakulam District. This lesson animated by K. Venkatramana, MSc BEd, JP High School, Lolagu, Srikakulam District. Students, his website is physicalscience4ever.blogspot.in. So, follow me on Facebook. This is my Facebook link. If you like it, subscribe, like, share. So, in this class, comparison of rate of rise in temperature of oil and water. This is the just we can understand about specific heat. So, but in this class we are not introducing specific heat, but these factors are very important. Comparison of rate of rise in temperature, and water. So, this is the activity. Let's do now. So, after this lesson, student will able to understand, explain the comparison of rate of rise in temperature of oil and water. Explain. After this lesson, explain the comparison of rate of rise in temperature and of oil and water. So, next, let's take two retard stands and we have to place one beaker at 80 degrees temperature, 80 degrees Celsius. This is the hot water beaker we have to place on the retard stands. After that, we should fit the two test tubes for retard stands, and in one test tube we filled with oil, and another test tube we filled with water. This is the oil test tube, and second one is the water test tube. So then we insert two rubber cock, one whole rubber cocks to two test tubes. Then we have to insert the two mercury thermometers in the oil test tube and water test tube. So after that, just if both oil test tube is 50 grams of oil is taken, and here is also 50 grams of water. Both in test tubes, in both test tubes, we have taken same mass. I mean 50 grams and 50 grams. This is water, and this is different material than water. So you know, these both are in thermal contact with this large beaker at 80 degrees C. That's why they both test tubes, they gain the temperature, they gain the heat of energy from the this water bath. Now we can observe the rise in mercury level in both test tubes. You know, this oil test tube rising is very rapidly than the water test tube, but even they have taken both mass, both are same mass, but the oil test tube rise in temperature is more than the water test tube. This is we can understand. So students, from this activity, what we have taken? We have taken 80 degrees centigrade of water in the large jar. Next, take two test tubes, one filled with 50 grams of water and other with 50 grams of oil. This is also we have taken. And third one, insert two thermometers into test tubes with the cork and place them in the hot water jar with clamp of retard stand. Observe the change in the thermometer reading. Yeah, we observed. What observed? We observed the oil thermometer. The thermometer which is placed in oil is rising very rapidly than the thermometer placed in water. So that's the same amount of heat supplied to water and oil. We observe the rate of rise in temperature of the oil is higher than the rise in temperature of water. Although the same amount of heat supplied, to the water and oil, we observe the rate of rise in temperature of the oil is higher than that the rise of in temperature of the water. So the rate rise So from this activity, the rate of rise in temperature depends of the nature of the substance. What substances I have taken? That means one is oil, 50 grams of oil, and another one is 50 grams of water. That means the rate of rise is depends upon the nature of the substance is very clearly we understood from this class. So that's why whatever you taken here, honey juice, honey or fruit juice in the test tubes, but both different materials, they have different rise in temperatures in the this water bath. This means even the given quantity is same, but the mass of the both materials are same, but rise in temperature is different. That means the rate of rise in temperature is depends upon the nature of the substance. It is very clearly to understand. So next, students, improve your learning from this activity. What we can improve? So we can, I am giving some questions to you, you can write down very easily. And what is the relationship between rise in temperature and specific heat? This is just we introduce the nature of the substance and rise in temperature. This rise in temperature depends upon the material, and that means we can guess the specific heat. On next class we will derive the equation for Q equal to ms delta T and for S equal to Q by ms delta m by m delta T. So this is we can guess, and you try to write. Next question, write the differences between heat and temperature. Write the differences between heat and temperature. This is already previously we discussed. We can easily write it. Next, thank you. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next class. In the next class, we are going to derive the Q equal to ms delta T. Q equal to ms delta T.